Mallige, which is Udupi Jasmine. This particular variety is been grown in Shankarapura surrounding villages of Udupi district. Flowers are fragrant and are mainly used for garlands. Cultivation of this variety of jasmine started in Bhatkala and then Shankarapura in Udupi district about 100 years ago. The flowers is in high demand in places such as Mumbai besides the coastal region. Udupi district is one of the fastest growing cities in Karnataka. Udupi is one of the top tourist attractions and has various educational institutions. It is notable for Krishna temple and is also known as Temple City. Jasmine is the most common flower in Indian garden, which is said to be of Indian origin. The details of jasmines are described in Epic of Mahabharata around 500 BC. It is believed to be one of the oldest cultivated herbs and is being cultivated since 300 to 400 AD. The unique characteristics of the flower is its fragrance. The violet oil content and the unique flavor of this variety is influenced by laterite soil condition of the region. If this particular crop is grown elsewhere, it will lead to the loss of the particular characteristic fragrance. Though there are more than 8 varieties of jasmine grown in Karnataka, Udupi jasmine dominates all other jasmine varieties because of its unique characteristics such as moderate fragrance and bud have good keeping quality with its shelf life of 3 to 4 days in bud condition. Mallige, an Android application is available on Google Play Store. It shows daily prices decided by Jasmine Flower Cultivators Association in Shankarapura, Udupi. Karnataka has immense potential in coastal tourism and Udupi is one of it. Visit this GI tag destination and also like, subscribe and share.